Hello everyone, in this video, we are going to explore capabilities of SciSpace. SciSpace is an AI-powered research platform designed to help researchers, students, and professionals read, understand, and explore scientific literature more efficiently. Let's open it. Let's write a research topic. It is taking some time. We have the response from latest research papers. Here are 10 latest research papers with insights and conclusions. There are different tools available on the left side. Let's extract the data from an article. Upload the article. TLDR means too long, did not read. We also have the conclusions from the article, and we can add other columns also. Let's select the findings column. So instead of reading all the article, you can just read the findings column. Let's chat with the article. Here we can ask the questions, and it will generate answers from the article. Let's check the summary of article. Pretty impressive, right? For podcast, unfortunately, you have to pay the charges. You can also paraphrase the text here. It can also help to explain the text if you are unable to understand something. I am falling in love with this tool. Let's check the AI detector tool. I pasted something from ChatGPT, and it analyzed it correctly. You can also add your library of articles. Let's check AI detection in an article. So only 7% is from AI, which is probably false positive. Let's write something with AI. Let's delete all this and start from scratch. Write something about your research. It has generated some text. Press Tab to accept it. This tool is very helpful in writing a report or a literature review. In the next video, we are going to explore another powerful tool used in conducting the research. Stay tuned and subscribe for more videos.